Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. They have been camping here from Friday evening, and they had gone to 2 days of marathon working. I'm greatly privileged to be present on this occasion in a truly paradise in the world. जो जन्नत है वो जन्नत में हम आए हैं. मैं मेरे भाइयों का भी शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उन्होंने सबकी तरफ से जस्टिस विक्रमना, जस्टिस सूर्यकांत जी ने सबकी तरफ से मुझे डेलीगेट किया है कि मैं ही अपनी तरफ से बोलूँ, क्योंकि समय काफ़ी हो गया है. कश्मीर हैज अ वेरी रिच ट्रेडिशंस. जैसा कि ग्रेट हिस्टोरियन कलाना जी ने रजत रंगीनी में कहा है कि, एंड आई कोट हिम, द हिस्ट्री ऑफ कश्मीर इज नॉट जस्ट अ रिकॉर्ड ऑफ डायनेस्टीज एंड रूलर्स, but a chronicle of ideas, philosophers, and civilization conflicts. Kashmir is known for its conflicts of civilization. It has deeply enriched India's intellectual and cultural discourse, right from the verses of Lal Deher, Laleshwari ji in the 14th century, to the Nightingale of Kashmir, Habba Khatun. Kashmir has produced voices that resonate far beyond its values. The Kashmir is known for its beauty. The Kashmir is known for its handicrafts. It is known for its Pashmina shawls. It is also known for its cuisine. And today particularly we are here to celebrate the journey of many of the alumni. We are really happy that we got an opportunity to felicitate some of the alumni who have immensely contributed to the development of the nation, to the development of Jammu and Kashmir. The university has produced a variety of talents from various walks of life. They have contributed to law, they have contributed to judiciary, they have contributed to politics, they have contributed to medical science. They are academicians, they are researchers, they are one who are dedicated their life to the social service. I was particularly happy to felicitate Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad, who has represented Yavatmal constituency, which is my neighboring district in Vidarbha. And not only that, he has been a very good friend of my father, and both of them have worked together in Rajya Sabha and also in Maharashtra politics. I was also happy to felicitate Mia Altaf ji, who has been a member of parliament for a record time from Anandnag constituency. We also felicited the other alumni for their valuable contribution. The alumni of the university represents the university throughout the country, and I am very happy that at the mandamus of Justice Margaret, we are all here. There are 6 or 7 judges of the Supreme Court and all the judges from Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court. In fact, I was looking forward to felicitate Justice Margaret because he has also been one of the most prominent alumni of the institution. Maybe that may be reserved for some other occasion. आज मैं फैकल्टी से और यूनिवर्सिटी से इतनी गुजारिश करना चाहूँगा कि जो आपकी इतनी अच्छी फैकल्टी है, इतनी अच्छी एल्यूमनी है, यू मस्ट यूज दैट एल्यूमनी फॉर द यंग जनरेशंस. उनका जो एक्सपीरियंस है, उनके जो कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस है, उससे जो नई आने वाली पीढ़ियाँ है वो निश्चित रूप से उनको काफ़ी बड़ा बेनिफिट मिलेगा. उनको उनके आगे जीवन में आगे जाने के लिए एक अच्छा रोड मैप मिलेगा. और मुझे पूरी I have full faith and full belief that the University of Kashmir now, which is bifurcated into also the University of Jammu and Kashmir at Jammu, will produce many more students who will actually participate and contribute to the development of India as a nation and to the development of Kashmir as a region. I once again thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity to be with us this evening. I will once again congratulate all the recipients of the felicitation on behalf of all my colleagues from the judiciary, not only from the Supreme Court but also on behalf of the Chief Justice of the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court and the judges of the High Court. In fact, many of the recipients are my colleagues in the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court. I thank the Honorable Lieutenant Governor and the Honorable Chief Minister as well as the Jammu and Kashmir administration for the great hospitality and the बहुत अच्छी मेहमान नवाजी आपने हमको शाम से आज तक जो की है उसके लिए मैं आपको हमारे सब ब्रदर्स को कलीग्स की तरफ से आपका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।